Welcome back to Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to offer 10% discount up to 300 for orders above 2000. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Capping Discounts from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then click on Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount. Then enter the discount title here. Then select discount code and enter the same discount title as the discount code. Then click on percentage. Enter the discount in percentage, that is 10, and enter the capping amount 300. Then select discount applies to all products. Then we will enter the minimum purchase amount as 2000. Then select all customers for the customer eligibility, and you can also limit number of times this discount can be used in total. You can also limit to one use per customer. If you want to set start date and time and end date and time, then you can set it from here. If you want to combine this product discount with any another order discount, shipping discount, or any other product discount, then you can select that. Then save your changes. Now we will test this setup on our online store. Go to your catalog. Now we will enter the product to the cart for more than 2000 rupees. For example, I am selecting this product. Click on Buy It Now. Enter the test address. Then you can enter the discount code here. So here you can see that discount has been applied. So the 10% of 5000 is 500, but here the discount applied is only 300 because we have set the capping amount as 300. So it will not gonna exceed the capping amount. So now we will enter the product to the cart for less than 2000 rupees. For example, I am adding this product to the cart. So in this, we need to make sure that discount won't applied because we have made the rule for minimum purchase amount 2000 rupees. We will try to enter the discount code here. So as you can see, it is not applying. So that's it. You have successfully set up 10% discount up to 300 for the orders above 2000 on your Shopify account. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.